Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today I am in my office, and it's actually a gorgeous day outside. Who knew we'd go from freezing cold temps to 60s and 50-degree weather here in December? But it is the very end of the month, and I'm so excited because I have for you the January Joyful Jordan box. So we're going to take a look at that today. So stay tuned for that, and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. If you are not familiar, Jordan Essentials is a company out of Nixa, Missouri. They use a lot of plant-based and organic ingredients. Everything is healthy and non-toxic. Lots of wonderful skincare products, makeup, and even healthy home items as well. They have this subscription box, or I like to call it a surprise box, that comes out every month. You can subscribe, and when you do, then you get free shipping. Or if you just want to buy it one time and try the box out, you can do that. So the Joyful Jordan box is $29, and typically it has $40 minimum of quality products in it. So you're going to get a good deal on your products. Often there are exclusive items that are only available in that month's Joyful Jordan box, and there's no other way to get them in a regular catalog. And I am a consultant with Jordan Essentials, so I'll have my link down in the description below in case you want to shop my link or check out the Joyful Jordan boxes. So let's take a peek at this January Joyful Jordan box. So these come in this cute little box. It says on the side, "Open a little joy." And then you can also reuse the box and gift it. If you want to put a shipping label on, it's easy to do that. I love that when you open it up, it says, "Hey there." And inside the box, we're going to find this little box of awesomeness. Has a card at the top, and this will always have some kind of uplifting message or a quote. This time around it says, "Wellness, wholeness, believe in the goodness of new beginnings." And then on the back of the card, it's going to tell us about what items are in the box. So for January 2023, it says, "New year, new you. Take time to rest, renew, and breathe." And I'm really excited because this box has some awesome items in it. The sleep stick is the first item, and that is something that's in our regular catalog. Normally that would be $15. And it says, "Rest well. Quality sleep can improve your physical and mental well-being. Include the sleep stick in your nightly routine, enhanced with magnesium and a blend of lavender, sweet orange, and chamomile essential oils that naturally support healthy sleep." And it also tells us you can apply it to your temples, on the chest, over the lungs, or the palms of your hands. So I use the sleep stick nightly. We actually keep one in my daughter's room in her nightstand, and I'm going to be using this one as soon as we're done filming here today. So what these are is a beeswax base. So if you're familiar with our lotion bars, it's going to be just like that. So the beeswax glides on. Beeswax melts at body temperature, so the longer that it's on your skin, it'll just start to melt and soften into your skin. Oh my gosh, I just love the scent of this. It could be a perfume. It smells so good. And if you're not familiar, Jordan Essentials has a lot of products with topical magnesium, and it's great to take a magnesium supplement if that's what your doctor recommends. We always say keep doing that, but I like that if I ever need some extra boost of magnesium, if I have sore muscles, achy muscles, if I have tension or twitches, those kinds of things, it's great to use our topical magnesium and get the magnesium right to those muscles where it's needed. And of course, because it's going on through the skin, it's going to be absorbed into my system in 26 seconds. I don't have to digest it first. It just goes right where it's needed. So we like to take the sleep stick, and I usually apply a little bit on my fingertips, and then I'll rub that just under my nose or on my upper lip. Because of beeswax, there's no moisture in the product, and it is shareable that way. So any of our lotion bars or our sticks like this that are the beeswax base are shareable because there's no moisture in them. And you can also do what they say, apply it to the temples. Sometimes we just rub it all over my daughter's chest, and that can help with breathing. It calms and relaxes. You can also put it on the bottoms of your feet and just help absorb the magnesium and those benefits of the essential oils that way too. So lots of great ways to use this product. Like I said, that is in the catalog. So if you wanted to try that by itself, you could, but you're going to get some other great products in this box as well, and it's a good deal. So let me move these little biodegradable packing peanuts. These are a plant-based packing peanut that dissolve in water, which I think is so fun. All right, the next item, this is exclusive to the box, so you cannot order this in our regular catalog. This is our Renew Magnesium Shea Body Butter. And it says, feel renewed. Peppermint, sweet basil, lavender, and frankincense essential oils blended with pure African shea butter go to work on achy joints and sore muscles. Enhanced with magnesium, and it's something you can apply directly to achy neck, back, knees, and other tight muscle areas. So when you open this up, I think this one's going to have a little seal, so we'll take that off. And it's the same thing. You've got the benefits of that topical magnesium, and then this exclusive blend of essential oils. And that Renew scent is just kind of a fresh, herbally blend because of that sweet basil, I smell that, and the lavender and peppermint, a little bit of the frankincense as the grounding scent there. And that's going to be our rich and creamy shea butter, so a little goes a long way, and you can just apply that. You can see it's going to soak right in. What I love is that we don't use any mineral oil, so these products all just soak right in. They're healthy plant-based oils for your skin, and they help to moisturize. And then of course the benefits of that Renew essential oil blend are going to add extra benefits to your products as well. So that's a really good one. And like I mentioned, we have Renew in our catalog. You can currently get it in a stick like this, in an essential oil spray, or in an essential oil roll-on, but we do not have Renew as a shea body butter currently in our catalog. So this is a great way to get this scent in a little purse-sized lotion and give it a try. And our 2-ounce shea body butters are typically $8 in the catalog. So I'm going to take that this would be about that same price. So we have 15 and 8. So we're already up to $23 for the value of the product so far, and we have another really good one to go. So this is definitely a great value for this box this month. Okay, so the last item is our shower spray, and we came out with this one other time in a Joyful Jordan box. I believe it was like the summer last year. And I absolutely loved it. The one I had, I've been sparingly using because it's almost gone. So I'm so excited that I can get a refill for our shower. If you've ever used like a shower steamer, this is kind of the same idea, but it's less stuff to sit around in your shower. And it's just this one little spray bottle, and it's going to last you a long time and still have the same aromatherapy benefits. So this says, shower spray, breathe deep, transform your shower into an aromatherapy home spa with a beneficial shower spray with eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint essential oils. Spray in the shower. As the steam begins to rise, breathe deep and let the natural aromas open your airways and lift your spirit. And I remember from last time, this is a pretty concentrated blend of essential oils, so it doesn't take much to get that strong aromatherapy scent going. So I would usually do like one spray kind of over to the side of the shower, and then one sort of out in the bathroom area, and the whole shower and bathroom smells like a spa. It's so amazing. So I'm really excited to have that. Typically, our essential oil sprays like this are $18. So this is going to be a $41 value on your box for the month of January. And like I said, you can get this one for $29. And here's some different information about it, but I'll have all this listed in the description box down below. This is just from our catalog. So like I mentioned, if you do this monthly subscription, then you get free shipping, and you can cancel anytime, or you can always just try the box once, and then you'll have the chance to try it first and see what you think. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing this little glimpse of this little box of awesomeness for the January Joyful Jordan box. If you have any questions about some of the products I mentioned or how to get yours ordered, just feel free to send me a message or put it in the comments, and we'll get you a box on order. Let's see if I can get it all to sit there. There we go. So this is the January Joyful Jordan box. I hope you're excited about ringing in the new year and the start of 2023. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button down below, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.